Picture this. You're scrolling through your investment app, watching your portfolio climb higher every single day. Tech stocks are on fire. Then one morning, you wake up and half your money is gone. This isn't some wild theory. In the year 2000, I watched the dot-com bubble wipe out fortunes overnight. But here's what's different this time. The scam is more sophisticated and almost nobody sees it coming. So let me show you how we are heading for disaster. Warning sign: the revenue illusion. Right now, there's a group of companies passing money back and forth between each other and calling it growth. Microsoft writes a check to OpenAI for $58 billion. But then OpenAI pays Microsoft for cloud computing services. Microsoft takes those billions and buys chips from NVIDIA. NVIDIA then invests hundreds of millions back into OpenAI. Every single time that money moves, each company gets to call it revenue. Their stock prices jump and investors pour in more cash. But nobody's actually making real profit. Imagine you and I are standing in an empty field. I hand you $50 to mow my lawn. You immediately pay me $50 to water your plants. We both just earned $50 in revenue. If investors valued us the way they value OpenAI at 40 times revenue, our lawn care business would suddenly be worth $4,000 for doing absolutely nothing. That's not business, and it gets worse. OpenAI just signed a $300 billion deal with Oracle for data centers. Oracle immediately announced they're spending tens of billions on NVIDIA's chips. Then NVIDIA committed $100 billion to invest back in OpenAI, but only if OpenAI keeps buying more chips. So what do? First, don't panic and sell everything. Keep investing small amounts consistently into diversified funds. Second, get out of debt now. Leverage destroys people in crashes. Third, diversify beyond just stocks. Real estate, bonds, maybe even some gold. The crash is coming.